guys, I'm Tramia Johnson. I'm a freshman computer engineering major from Baltimore, Maryland.
I'm Andre Campbell. I'm a freshman computer science major from Detroit, Michigan.
Hi, my name is Erin Wilson. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, and I'm a chemical engineer major.
Hi, I'm Ellis Crawford, a computer science major from Brooklyn, New York.
Hi, I'm Gideon Driver. I'm a computer science major from Seattle, Washington.
The problem is, nowhere on the market is there a hand sanitizer dispenser that is one, eco-friendly, and two, simultaneously sanitizes both hands. So our proposition for this problem is Infinity.
Project Infinity, there were 3 designs that could have been used. The first one was flat and could be applied on tables or countertops. The first one also had a hose-like device on the inside that would spray the sanitizer out at regulated pressure. The second one could be applied on walls and other vertical surfaces. It also had a track device on the inside which would rotate a motor to spray the hand sanitizer around your hands. The third one was a circle shape. It also had the track lining to distribute the hand sanitizer. In the end, we combined some of the shapes to create the infinity shape, and it also uses the hose to distribute the hand sanitizer.
So this is our design matrix for our 3 designs that we chose for Infinity. We have the criteria. We have cost, safety, performance, impact on environment, and aesthetics. So for cost, we chose that design 1 was the most cost efficient because it uses the least amount of materials, as while design 2 and design 3 use more. For safety, we also chose that design 1 was the safest because it uses the least amount of materials, while design 2 and design 3 both use similar materials, like a track, which could eventually, it could break off, so that could be hazardous. Performance, we chose that design 3 would be that performs the best because of its design track that allows the hand sanitizer to get on both sides of the hands. So next we have impact on environment. We chose that design 2 would have the least impact on the environment, which would be the best design due to the amount of materials it uses and how we will incorporate these materials into our design of Infinity. Next is aesthetics. So we chose that design 2 would also look the best because of the way that we can shape it to make it look more appealing to our consumers.
Alright, so this is our final prototype, Infinity. How it works is that it uses a foot pump to change the pressure in the tubes and pushes the hand sanitizer all throughout the tube. The tube is clear so that you can see what's happening as it's happening, and it sanitizes both hands at the same time.
So, Infinity works, you put your foot on the pump and you pump down onto it, and as you pump down on it, hand sanitizer comes out of these 2 little nozzles inside and sprays out accordingly depending on how hard you press on the pump.
One constraint that we had were the materials. We didn't know what we would use for the materials, so that was really hard. Another constraint that we had was lack of resources. We didn't really use any of the resources given.
So when we conducted a patent search, there were some matches, but that's only because hand sanitizers have already been invented. So for instance, there is the Samir Chopra, which is the motion sensor and proximity sensor automatic hand sanitizer. And there's also the Dyson Airblade, in which you are able to dry both of your hands at the same time, which is where we got the idea of sanitizing both hands at the same time. Infinity is an automotive company from Japan. Although the names are the same, they're in 2 completely different fields, which will help to set our Infinity apart from the car.
So the problem with competitors such as Purell, Soap Magic, and the traditional way of putting sanitizer on your hands is that they only put the sanitizer in one location. Infinity is designed to put sanitizer on both hands so that you have full coverage and you miss no spot.